So I'm curious, as we talk about improving maturity, what areas and what insight do you have to share on us on where to focus to improve maturity?
Yeah, that's a really super hard question, Blake. And I'm especially asking in front of all these people, it's hard to come up with an answer like that. But I think that IT is a little bit like football or basketball. You don't go out and practice just tackling, right? You don't go out and have a whole practice on blocking. You just don't focus on one individual area. You try to do all the areas that are important. I think IT is a team sport. You have to do all of these things to do it well. You can't not communicate. You can't not improve your process. You can't not work on technology. I mean, you just can't focus on one area because you'll be unbalanced in other areas, and it'll be detrimental to your organization, I think. Okay. I would say that most people, though, and I've heard this so many times from so many consultants, from Gartner or whoever your favorite research group is, they'll say, align IT values and goals with the business. How many people have heard that? That should be your first step. Yeah, right? Boy, as much as I have respect for those analysts, I will disagree with this right now. And this is back to the pig and the shark, which you should be more afraid of. This is kind of the pig. The pig will kill you in this case. And so this is done by Michael Tracy, the Index Group. Michael Tracy, who died fairly recently, unfortunately, did this really landmark study. And if you're like me, and you've been taught that you should base your business strategies or your IT strategies on your business strategies, you're going to find yourself in trouble. Because how long do business strategies last? How long? I was in an internet startup company the last 3 years. Our business strategies lasted about a week, right? It was super fast. It changed every day. Now, if I had created a technical architecture based on the strategy of our business from 3 months ago, we would have been in serious trouble. So the same thing is true with application strategy. Business strategies 1 to 5 years. Application strategies typically last 4 to 10 years, right? You have that for about that long. So something like SAP or, yeah, go ahead.
Well, I work for the state of South Dakota with the IT, and it seems like the bottom two bullets are actually reversed for us.
You change your strategy.
We actually have our application strategies are decades.
Yeah.
Our technical architecture changes basically when our releases end.
Yeah, and that's a great way of doing it. There's way, and that's, you hit on something that's absolutely right. There are ways of mitigating that technical the technical architecture lock-in, and leases is one. Using cloud providers is another. Using software as a service or architecture as a service, those are ways of mitigating that risk. So you're absolutely right. What I used to tell folks that work for me was, when we made a technology decision, I said, make sure your grandchildren can support it because that's how long we're going to have this. Yeah, that's absolutely right. Great point. So does this make sense? Pig, shark? You're going to have these strategies for a long, long time. Make sure that they can support the business in whatever the business is going to do. Does that make sense? Not easy to do.